It's the free hit. And then swell bowled. Is darted done, one down the leg side onto the pads. It's a very good delivery from Mahdi Hassan.
What a great comeback. It's a game of cat and mouse. Mahdi Hassan, the last over. Dramas at his best. This time much fuller. And firing it in towards the leg side. So I just need 2 big hits.
Yeah, 2 sixes for Wes Mahroof. And if Bangladesh go on to defend this total, they will wrap up the series for the very first time against Australia in a bilateral series. They will go on to win the series. Mahdi has 2 more balls to bowl. And nicely bowled straight to the fielder. That is brilliant. They've already started to celebrate, and why not? Another historic day for Bangladesh. And look at them on the rooftop, knowing this is the very first time that Bangladesh will go on to win against Australia in any format. I mean the series. This is excellent, absolutely magnificent work from the Tigers. They've done it. It's over. Bangladesh have gone on to beat Australia 3-0 in the first 3 matches, and by doing so, they go on to win the Bangabandhu T20 series 3-0 and winning by 10 runs. Celebrations start.
What fantastic scene. Delegates are happy, the players are happy, the coaching staff is happy, the management staff is happy. What a brilliant day for Bangladesh. There you go, the president of Bangladesh Cricket Board celebrating in the box, and the players in the middle overjoyed. The young team beating the mighty Aussies. Fair of thought to Gan Christian, tried his best, just not good enough. That's the man of the moment for me. Mustafizur under pressure in the 19th over, delivering the goods for Bangladesh. He winning by 10 runs. There's 2 more games to go, all to play for still. Pride at stake for Justin Langer. It's maybe elated, overjoyed coaching staff.
Bangladesh first ever series win versus Australia. Bangladesh 7th consecutive T20 international win at home. And what a way to do it, and they've done it in style. Mustafizur Rahman was a beauty. None for 9 in his 4-over spell. Mahmudullah, the skipper, a 50. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. See the young players putting their hands up and ensuring that they end up winning. There's still 2 more matches to go, but the series is already in the bag for Bangladesh.
Happy scenes. And winning is all about happiness. That's exactly what Bangladesh did. Ever since winning the first game, never let the Australians get into the game. The man who led from the front, Mahmudullah Riyad, and the head coach Russell Domingo had a few tough times in the last few months. That's icing on the cake, beating the mighty Australians at home. And also, remember, 2 more games to go, and already Bangladesh won the series.
Yeah, also Australia will have to work out a different ploy. 5th consecutive series loss in T20 international for Australia. Akram Khan, right at the screen, director of the Bangladesh Cricket Board, and also the former captain, chairman of the cricket operation, must be a very, very happy man.
The elated captain Mahmudullah Riyad. There you go. All to play for. And a brilliant series in the Zimbabwe series previously. Continuing the good work. Nurul Hassan played his part, especially in the last game. Young Bangladesh team beating the mighty Aussies. What a great story. Delegations, they are happy. There you go, the president. That's what sports is all about, isn't it? Enjoying the moments. They worked hard. Never thought that this could easily beaten. And that's a man. Just 9 runs in his 4 overs, and bowling just 1 run away in the 19th over. Captain Mahmudullah elated, as we meant.